Hi guys, Diane Hoggarth here. I'm going to show you how a newbie, Beatra Alumni, yes, it's international guys, earned $7,000 with this system. The proof is in the pudding. He crossed $4,000 with normal commissions without counting the upsells, which was worth $3,000. So he has earned $7,000. It's not just him. A lot of other people are getting 100% recurring commissions as well. So that's what you can get. So imagine, just for a moment, you're in a desert and you find the genie's lamp. What would you wish for? Would you wish for a dream holiday? Would you wish for an exclusive golf membership? Would you choose a big house in the country, house by the sea, house in the mountains, a big yacht in Fort Lauderdale? What would you do? Would you buy a nice Lamborghini? I, for one, would go scuba diving because what would you do? I hope you've got your juices flowing, but hold that thought. Potentially, we're going to make your wish come true. So let me just tell you a little bit about me. My name is Diane Hoggarth. I borrowed $4,000 from a friend, and he also lent me some more to buy solo ads. Did I make money? Did I lose money? Yes, I did. Everybody's been there. Then you go, I'm going to join this company, I'm going to join that company. And guess what? That doesn't work either. You just keep losing money until you find the perfect solution. I found this company and my life has changed. I've got purpose and direction, and I've got the freedom to choose where to go on a holiday, when and with whom. I can now get to the top of the leaderboards. If you're anything in affiliate marketing, John O'Armstrong is one of the top ones, and I'm number 6. You can get sales from multiple sources. These are ClickBank and Warrior Plus. Yes, it's affiliate marketing, online marketing. It earns more than the gaming industry and the music industry combined. Isn't that crazy? If you want a piece of the pie, guys, imagine your favourite pizza place. You recommend it to a friend. You tell Giovanni, the owner, that Diane sent you, and he gives you 100% commissions. Woo! And guess what? Every month, he gives you 30%. Every month, they come back. So, wouldn't that be cool? Yes, it's called passive income. Think of it like the phone bill. You have the phone, the gas, the electric, the TV license, the car, blah, 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 the mortgage. You ask somebody once and you get paid passive income. So instead of you pay the electric bill, it's like getting somebody once and they keep paying you every single month. So imagine if you've got 10 people paying you $200 a month. You can get paid in your sleep. This is serious, guys. I have the proof. We have the technology. How do you do it? It's a simple 3-step system, guys. You find somebody on social media, see if they're open, send them this video. You can get results like these. You can get 100% recurring sales. James Neville Taylor is the top person, and he's got $200,000 in sales in this company. And I've got some exclusive training that I can show you that will help you get to the top 2. What comes with the program? As I said, I've got some access to $1,000 worth of training from James Neville Taylor himself. There's live weekly trainings with James, with other top people in the company. You have daily trainings, weekly trainings, mentorship. It's 2-tier commission. And everything that you need is in one box. So what's the cost to me, you're asking? I can see you're asking, how much is this done? Today, it's $200 and then $80 a month after that. Remember the genie story? What if it all came true? You got the house, the boat, the car, the holidays, the scuba diving, the goals, the golf, whatever else you wanted. Just think, what would your life look like a year from now? Imagine that you've become the best version of you. You've become a strong person and you're the leader that you were meant to be. You've been on that holiday you've always wanted to go on, and you've helped hundreds, if not thousands of people just like you get out the rat race and get their own life of freedom. How would you feel then? You get dream holidays, but your team gets the dream holidays too. The big house, the golf, the scuba diving, the brand new Lamborghini, a luxury yacht. Just imagine if you helped somebody get their own luxury yacht. How proud would you be? You'd just be going, oh my God, I helped somebody. The next step. How do you do this, Di? You get in touch with me on Facebook, book a call. I'm going to put a link below. You can book a call with me and I can answer questions and I can show you how to start. And I want to show you exactly how it works because it works for me and it works for others. If you've got any questions, let me answer them. I can't wait to speak to you. See you on the call. Click the link below. Bye, guys.